Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button if you like my videos. So today we'll be cooking fish. It is called thalla fish. It is also called black marlin or mailu. So here's our fish which we have cleaned and washed. We will now cut it into two halves for easy while cooking. Wash and clean once more. Here I have taken 2 onions and some garlics. We'll grind it to a fine paste. Now in a fry pan, we'll heat oil, and once it gets heated up, we will fry our fish. We'll put the fish pieces one by one and deep fry them. So the frying process is done. Now we'll set it aside. Now again turning towards our pan, we'll add some onion and fry it till crispy and golden brown. Once the onion turns crispy and golden brown, add chopped tomatoes into it and 4 to 5 green chilies. In this we'll add salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder, cumin powder and black pepper powder. Give it a good mix. Now add onion and garlic paste. Cook for 5 to 6 minutes and then add a little water and cook again for 8 to 10 minutes. Cook until the raw flavor of masalas are gone and then add potatoes and cover and cook again. Cook for 5 to 10 minutes again with potatoes and then add fish into it. Add a little water, give it a good mix. Cover again and cook. Cook for 7 to 8 minutes more and it's done. Tasty and delicious thalla fish is ready to be served. And super easy and delicious thalla fish is ready to be served. Thanks for watching CookTube Ronak.